Namaskara. Um, I'd like to thank the media today for coming here. The Tamil media has been really kind and really supportive towards me in the span of today. What I saw, and thank you so much for that. Thank you for coming here. Thank you to my team, Radha sir, my director, for being the captain of this ship and directing me so beautifully, giving me my time and my space before every shot, and giving 5 years of his life. Thank you to Manoj sir for his brilliant cinematography. I don't need to say more because when you watch the film, you're going to love it. Prabhas for this beautiful film after doing a film like Bahubali, an action film Saho, to do a love story. Is it's such a new and fresh experience for the viewers, and my entire team, all the ADs, everybody. Thank you so much, and I hope that you'll enjoy the film. March 11th, in one more week, this film is gonna be out. Prerna, my character, who I've left a little bit of puja in Prerna. I hope you'll enjoy the film. I hope you'll enjoy the character, and I hope I entertain you all. Thank you. Tamil audience, like I said, my career began with Tamil cinema, and for that I'm very grateful because I didn't know actually what I wanted to be. I didn't know that I wanted to be an actor. I didn't know, and because of this film that came to me, I realized that I love being part of the films. I love creating movies. So I owe a lot to the Tamil cinema, and I hope I entertain you all with every single film. I hope that you all see the new Pooja in Radhe Sham, and I hope that you all enjoy it, and I hope you all like Beast also. Beast, when I come next month, I will talk about Beast. But if I tell you about Beast now, when I come back later, I won't have any matter to talk to you. So I'm going to just keep it to Radhe Sham. Ah, I'm feeling good because the last time I went to a beach in Chennai, I thought like nobody will recognize me, so I went to the beach. And when I went, immediately everybody went, Buttabumma, Buttabumma. So I hope the next time I go, they go, Arave Kuttu, Arave Kuttu. So the song has done so well, even in Bombay, in Mumbai, everyone's loving the song, so it's become like a global phenomenon. I'm loving all the reels coming on it, and I'm so happy. What else can I say? I have another hit song, so I'm very excited about that. Next month. Next month. But he's a brilliant dancer. Yes, see, that's a good question. um, like I said, to do, after being an action hero, to do a love story, it takes a lot of guts, and I'm glad that he did it because I have such a special film now, and I hope you're like our chemistry, which I mean we are getting good reviews about our chemistry, so I think this one, like, fingers crossed for it. The film was delayed actually from when I signed the film to when it's been 4 years of my life. But I think that's been my strength because I've grown as an actor. In between the 4 years, I did a lot of films and I went to work every single day. And that if you see the film, you'll see that there is a growth in Pooja as an actor when you watch the film. So I'm sure when you watch the film, you're probably going to call me and say, oh, you were good in that scene and I would have shot it recently. So I feel like the fact that it took 4 years gave me an edge. But amazing for the crew, Manoj sir, Manoj Paramahamsa, DOP, Radha sir, because to be excited about one project for 5 years, we still moved in and out to be still excited and come to set every day with to show the audience something new, a fresh viewing experience is it's passion to another level.
Tala Ajit Kura,
Sorry?
Tala Ajit Kura.
When am I going
Good to act with Ajit.
I don't know, but if somebody is watching this interview and you'll have a chance to make it happen, please make it happen. So many beautiful moments. We've had so much fun. I think the what do you call it? Drive-in cinema in the song that you all see. That the being on that set and experiencing that was like another level of excitement. I think every day we can. My birthday I celebrated on the sets in Italy, so it was a good fun shooting the film.